祝奇妙季節嘅同時，我哋邀請你一同將聖誕樹點亮，以一個奇幻嘅晚上，引領大家投入美妙嘅夢想之中。
各位來賓，大家好，節日快樂！當大家在香港迪士尼樂園慶祝奇妙季節的同時，我們誠邀你一起將聖誕樹點亮，以一個奇幻的晚上，引領大家投入美妙的夢想之中。
Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays! As we celebrate the magic of the season here at Hong Kong Disneyland, we hope you will help us light our holiday tree and lead the way for all of our dreams on this magical evening. Let's make a wish and see if we can make all of our wishes come true. Everyone, close your eyes tight. And now, it's time to make a wish. Are you ready? Okay, you can all open your eyes. And now, let's see if your wish came true. As we celebrate the magic of the holidays here at Hong Kong Disneyland, we'd like to share a gift with each and every one of you. The gift of song, which, in its own special way, reminds one and all to cherish the magic of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within. It's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
It's cold outside.
This evening has
And only
been so very
I'll hold your hands, they're just like
I ought to say no, no, no,
But
sir.
I
At least you gotta say that I tried. I really can't stop. Walking with you in winter snow, kissing underneath the mistletoe. People smiling everywhere we go. It's Christmas Eve and they can see we're love. You make the season right, with the lights reflecting in your eyes. All our dreams are coming true tonight. It's Christmas Eve and they can see we're in love. We all have our hopes and wishes for the holidays, but perhaps one of the most universal wishes of all is the wish for peace and love. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace. for all those around you, today and every day.